Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over how to navigate through the TD Ameritrade website. In our last video, we showed you how to sign up through TD Ameritrade or Webull. Both of these brokerages are very good, very useful. Whichever one that you decide to go with is going to be a good bet. If you are leaning more towards Webull, there's a link in the description below where you can earn some free stocks for signing up with Webull and depositing $100. So TD Ameritrade is the platform that I primarily use, and I'll show you why. They just have so much information on their website, and I'm just really used to using this particular website and this platform. So I wanted to show you just how to navigate through this platform in case you do decide to go here. Over account, they have account overview, which is exactly what it sounds like, just a basic overview of your account. It's going to give you your account balance. It'll show you a chart showing you how your account's doing. Is it going up? Is it going down? Things like that. Positions tab is going to show you what positions that you currently own. So if you have one stock, it'll show that one stock, show you the price of it, give you the option to buy or sell that position, things like that. Your balances, your cost basis. Cost basis is going to be basically a summary of the amount of money that you spent to buy a stock and the amount of money that you sold the stock for. And then at the end of the page, it'll show you the difference of, it'll show you if you basically profited or lost money from the trades that you made over a particular time period. So you can check it out by the week, the month, 3 months, a year, whatever you want to do. Your watch list, this is a page where you can organize several different lists of stocks that you might not necessarily want to invest in just yet, but you want to keep them on your radar. And I'll show you how to do that in a second. Your tax center is basically just a spot where you can access your tax documents that you need that TD Ameritrade will provide to you. Let's go over to Watchlist really quick. So if you want to create a new watch list, and the way that I do them is I have the watch list basically separated by sector, and it just helps me organize my watch list a little bit more. If I need to look for a stock, I know what sector to go to as opposed to having a really large watch list. So if I want to make a new one, I just hit create watch list, and I can name it whatever I want, put in whatever symbol that I want, and then just hit create and then confirm. And then now that watch list is created. Okay. If there's any stocks that I don't want to keep on my watch list, I just hover at the very end and there's a little X that comes up and I just simply delete it. And then if I want to get rid of this watch list as a whole, I just click this, delete watch list, confirm it, and it goes away. Next tab I want to show you is the trade tab. So if you hover over the trade tab, then you'll see that you have stocks and ETFs. This is a section, if you click here, it gives you the option to go and buy these the stocks that you're looking at. Or one thing I didn't show you is you can actually do that if you just hover over the ticker symbols here in your watch list and you click buy or sell, and then there'll be what's called a snap ticket that comes up, and you'll type in the amount of stocks you want to buy at the current price, the ticker symbol, and then you would just hit submit on that particular stock. What I really wanted to show you from the trade tab was trading platforms. So if you go over to trading platforms, you'll see Thinkorswim. You'll click on Thinkorswim. And then from here, it's going to give you the option to download and pick a type of platform that you want. If you have a laptop or a desktop computer, make sure it's set to desktop. Go ahead and hit download. And this is a trading platform that I use whenever I'm buying stocks, and it helps me make a educated decision on when it would be a good time to get into a stock and exit a stock. And I'll show you how to set everything up in a video at a later date that's coming. and I have also videos coming to show you how to use the indicators on this platform. But I would definitely really highly recommend you download this app here. They also have research, planning and retirement sections, education sections. So if you're not really familiar with what you're doing, or if you have no idea anything about stocks or the stock market in general, TD Ameritrade has a very, very good education section where you can go watch videos and kind of have a better understanding of basically what all this stuff is. So I would recommend that you check them out and learn a little bit before you invest any money in the market. And the last section I'm going to show you is client services. TD Ameritrade, another reason I really like them is because they have great customer service. So if you ever need to get a hold of them for something, you can just go over here to contact us. They have a virtual agent that you can type questions in, just kind of basic, and they'll spit out information to you similar to how you would like on a phone carrier like an AT&T or something like that. But if you need a more in detailed answer and you want to talk to an actual person, then you can go down and give them a call. And I'm not sure exactly what the wait time is going to be. I usually just email them. You send an email, and usually within 24 to 48 hours I'll get a response back, and it's usually pretty detailed. So other than that, that's pretty much all I have for this video. I just wanted to show you how to kind of browse around and find some of the sections that I take advantage of. So I hope that helped. Other than that, make sure that you like this video if you learned anything from it. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.